If you've ever noticed your legs feeling weaker, maybe climbing stairs feels harder or standing up from a chair takes more effort, don't just brush it off as something cosmetic. That's not just about looks. That's a real red flag for your health. Because here's the truth. How strong your legs are today could determine how many healthy years you have left in your life. Leg strength isn't just about walking or running. It's about longevity, balance, independence, and metabolic health. And I'm going to show you exactly why that matters, and how just a few minutes a day can help protect your future. Let me give you a minute and a half, twice a day, and I promise you'll be investing in at least another decade of active, vibrant living. Let's start with something simple. So simple, most people think it's too basic to matter, but trust me, it's powerful. We're talking about calf raises. I know what you're thinking. Calf raises? Really? But stick with me. These little movements do more than just strengthen your calves. They improve circulation, boost metabolism, and even help with blood sugar control. Here's how I do them. I grab onto the stair rail for support. Gives me stability and keeps things safe. If you're just starting out, do them flat on the floor with both feet. Once that feels easy, say after 20 or 30 reps, level up by trying one leg at a time. And when that becomes routine, add a stretch. Stand on the edge of a step, lower your heel down, then rise back up. 2 legs, 1 leg. Over time, you'll build strength, endurance, and better balance. Right now, I do 40 per leg, all on one foot using the stair. It's fast, it's effective, and best of all, it fits into my daily routine without any fuss. And speaking of fitting in, did you know you can even work your legs while sitting down? After meals, try what I call gastro push-ups or soleus push-ups. All you need to do is flex and relax those calf muscles while seated. You can do this at your desk, at the dinner table, even while watching TV. This small movement helps regulate blood sugar levels, especially after eating. It's like giving your metabolism a little nudge to process glucose more efficiently. No gym, no special gear, just muscle activation while you rest. Now, let me tell you why we focus so much on legs. Bodybuilders train legs first for a reason, because they're powerhouses. When you work your leg muscles, especially big compound moves like squats, lunges, and stair climbing, you trigger a cascade of benefits across your entire body. These aren't just exercises, they're hormone triggers. Working large muscle groups releases testosterone, growth hormone, and myokines, proteins that signal your body to build more muscle, burn fat, and function more efficiently. That's right. Strong legs don't just make you stronger. They make your whole body healthier. Let's move on to squats. But not just any squat. Think of it as a one-legged squat, or what I prefer, stair squats. You don't need to go all the way to the top of the staircase. Just pick a low step. The third one works great for me. Start slow. Focus on form. As you get stronger, challenge yourself by skipping a step. That increases the range of motion and really fires up those quads and glutes. Right now, I do 10 reps on 2 steps. I haven't gotten to 3 yet, but I'm working on it. The key is consistency, not perfection. And notice what I'm wearing. Regular clothes. No gym outfit, no prep. Because if you have to change clothes or drive across town to work out, chances are you won't. Keep it quick, keep it simple, and make it part of your lifestyle. Now let's talk about something you may not hear about often, mitochondria. These tiny energy factories inside your muscle cells are the secret to staying strong and healthy as you age. The more mitochondria you have, and the better they work, the more energy you'll have, the better your glucose control will be, and the longer you'll live. Strong legs mean more mitochondria. More mitochondria mean more stamina, better metabolism, and less risk of diseases like diabetes. And for women, building leg strength also supports estrogen regulation, which plays a major role in metabolic health as we age. So, weak legs aren't just a sign of getting older, they're a warning sign that your body's energy systems are slowing down. Don't ignore it. Let's compare two similar moves, lunges and split squats. Both are great, but they feel different. In a lunge, your back knee stays straighter, giving you a deeper stretch in the hips and groin. A split squat, though, is easier to control, especially if balance is a concern. I used to do weighted lunges, but over time, I found they were harder on my back and less practical for everyday use. That's why I stick with split squats and stair work. They're safer, faster, and easier to integrate into daily life. Still, if you want to add lunges into your routine, start slow. Use a chair for balance. Keep your torso upright. And remember, it's not a race. Slow, controlled movement builds lasting strength. What if you have knee pain, hip issues, or limited mobility? No problem. You can modify every one of these exercises. If full squats hurt, do partial ones. If lunges feel unstable, hold on to a chair. Even if you use a wheelchair, you can still strengthen your legs with seated lifts or resistance bands. The goal isn't to look like an athlete, it's to stay functional, independent, and metabolically healthy for as long as possible. Quick bonus tip, ever heard of rucking? It's basically walking with weight on your back, like a backpack or a weighted vest. I wear a 40-pound vest sometimes, but don't start there. Begin with 10 pounds. You'll be surprised how quickly your body adapts. Rucking is great for building muscle and bone density, especially if you've lost weight recently. Because here's the thing, when you lose weight, you often lose muscle too. Rucking helps reverse that. So if you've been dieting or taking medication that causes weight loss, adding resistance through rucking can help you preserve and build lean muscle mass, which protects your metabolism and keeps you strong. Let's wrap this up. We've covered 3 key exercises: calf raises, stair squats or split squats, lunges or modified versions. These exercises keep you mobile, balanced, and metabolically resilient. They're not just for fitness, they're for life. If you want to take this a step further, I created a home-based metabolic risk assessment kit to help you understand your current health status. With this tool, you'll get a full picture of your metabolic markers, including tests most services skip, like oral glucose tolerance and grip strength. You'll also get a personalized session with a health coach who will walk you through your results and help you create a plan that works for you. This isn't just a test. It's a roadmap to better health. Your legs carry you through life. They help you stand tall, walk freely, and live independently. So don't wait until you feel weak to start strengthening them. Start today. Start small, but start now. Because your strongest years shouldn't end when you turn 60. They should begin. Thanks for watching. And if you're ready to take the next step toward a healthier future, click the link below to get your metabolic risk assessment kit today.